Video report of Group 1 Inocualtion. Here is some laboratory tools. We start with step inoculation. Agitate the culture tube to mix the broth. Ensure that the bacteria are mixing well. Clamp the inoculation needle until the needle turns red. As it's fully heated, remove the needle from the flame. The inoculating needle must have a cooling period or it will kill the bacteria when it's placed into the culture broth. Open the cap with your pinky finger. Quickly pass the open top of the glass tube through the flame to kill any microorganism that may contaminating the opening of the tube and could potentially contaminating the culture of the broth. Carefully dip your needle into the broth. If you hear a sizzling sound of the needle, so that is too hot. Pick the inoculated agar, remove the cap, and flame the opening of the tube. As carefully as you can, stab the needle down in the direct center of the agar. 2/3 dip. Replace the cap. Reflame the needle to sterilize. Then incubate the tube at room temperature. Mark on the test tube. Next is step inoculation of yakun sample. We do the same thing with the yeast sample. The second inoculation is inoculation on agar slant. First, we mark on the test tube, and then we agitate the culture tube to mix the broth and ensure that the bacteria are mixed well. Flame the inoculation loop until the loop turns red. As it fully heated, remove the loop from the flame and wait for it to cool. Open the cap with your pinky finger. Quickly pass the open top of the glass tube through the flame to kill any microorganism. Carefully dip your loop into the broth. If you hear a sizzling sound, your loop is too hot. Pick the inoculated agar, remove the cap, and hold it with your pinky finger and flame the opening of the tube. As carefully as you can, stab the loop down in the direct center of the agar. Zigzag up the slide and remove the loop. Replace the cap and reflame the loop. Next is inoculation of agar slant of Yakun sample. Same thing with the yeast sample. Inoculation on agar slant. Here is the result of step inoculation. We can see that both yeast and Yakun can grow in anaerobic condition, and yeast form ethanol and CO2 so that we can see the air bubbles and the cracked jelly. Next is the result of inoculation on agar slant. In the aerobic condition, we can see that yeast form CO2 and water, and while the Yakun have the microaerobic condition exist.